What is up, everybody? I hope you all are having a great day. I'm actually in Seattle right now, so I'm not going to be filming anything with my trucks, but I did want to put a video out. First of all, let me say though, Seattle's a really cool town, or city. I guess it's a city. Yeah, it's really cool. There's not a lot of diesel trucks here though. We've been walking around, and I've only seen like one 24 valve Cummins that's similar to mine, and that's it. So, not that it's a very big truck friendly city either. You know, there's a lot of tight spaces, and it's definitely hard to get around, but just interesting to see kind of what people drive here versus like a smaller town where I'm from. But anyways, in today's video I wanted to kind of talk about some second gen Cummins on YouTube, some of the more popular ones, and I thought it would be cool if I kind of went through and talked about what I liked about them, what I don't like about them, and then like give them an overall rating. So I'm going to rate them from 0 to 10, and then again I'll go ahead and talk about what I like about them and then what I kind of don't like about them. And with that being said, I'm going to do a little disclaimer here. A lot of these guys know way more about diesels and stuff than I do, so just because I don't like something about their trucks does not mean that they should like change it or do anything like that, because a lot of them have built their trucks exactly how they want them to be built, and I totally respect that. I just wanted to make a video kind of talking about some preferences that I like and that I don't like. So the first channel I am going to talk about is Pure panoRAMA. It is a red 24 valve Cummins, and if you see me looking down, it's because I have some pictures on my laptop of the trucks that I'm talking about. So yeah, first one, Pure panoRAMA. I'll put a picture of his truck up somewhere on the screen. I'll do that with the other ones too. But he is a red 24 valve Cummins. You know, just my first impressions of this truck. Super clean. He has a D-badged. Looks like he has some tow mirrors on it, which is cool. Something that I want to do soon to my truck. The black and red is really cool. I like how he doesn't have a lot of chrome. Definitely just kind of sticking with the black and red. The D-badging, like I said, is really cool. The only thing that I don't really like about this truck is I don't really like his wheels. It's those XD series wheels. I mean, they're kind of cool because they're black, but I would prefer something with a little more offset. The truck is also pretty tall. I think it would, in my preference, I would like it to be a little bit lower, a little more squatty. So I think out of a scale of 10, I'll give this guy like a 7 out of 10 for his truck. I think it looks, I like it. I do like it. I just, you know, change the wheels, kind of change the stance a little bit, and I think it would be really cool looking. Okay, moving on. So the next truck that I want to talk about is Bruce Wilson's truck named the Flat Nasty. It's a 12 valve Cummins, and it's a flatbed. And I actually really don't like flatbeds very much. I understand like why people do it and the practicality about it, but I just don't really like how they look. However, I have to say with this truck looks super good. And I think it's because of how he has it stanced out. It's kind of like lower, as you'll see in the pictures. And the flatbed is actually shortened. He bobbed it, so it's like a stubby little truck. And I really like the look of this truck a lot. I like how the tires are all tucked in the fenders. I really like the wheels. I believe they're Anthem wheels. Really like those. I know this truck makes a lot of power, and it has a freaking hood stack, and hood stacks are awesome. I would run a hood stack on my truck, but I don't really want to run a hood stack on my daily driver or cut a hole in my hood, but props to this guy because he has one. He also makes some pretty cool videos of him just beating on this truck. I know it's I think it's an NV 4500. I might be wrong. I'll put something on here if I'm wrong, but the way he drives this truck, he just like abuses it, and it's a beautiful thing to watch. So you probably won't see my video, Bruce, but if you do, keep up the good work, and yeah, props. It's an awesome truck, awesome channel. Thanks for actually using it. So rating for this truck, 16 out of 10 for sure. hood stack, put it over the edge. It's a cool truck. I love this truck. Okay, moving on to Dippin Diesel. He has a white 24 valve Cummins. It's a super clean truck, honestly, and it's kind of similar to the direction that I'm going with my truck, but he has it debadged, or mostly debadged. He has some badges still on there, but he took off some of the black trim pieces, which I think looks super good. He has a pretty cool looking stack, which I think he's going to get rid of maybe and do like a full exhaust, and I think he's putting a canopy on it, or a camper topper. He has a 4th gen bumper, and a lot of times 4th gen bumpers kind of look a little hokey to me on 2nd gen Cummins, but he pulled it off really well. And I think, you know, just some little things he did to it, like he installed a light bar in it, and then he also has like a little black trim piece on the bottom, which I haven't seen on all of the 4th gen bumpers, and I think it makes it look really solid. It looks like it could have came from the factory like that, and he did a really good job with that. I think it does have some motor work done to it, turbo injectors, programmer, intercooler, I believe. So yeah, I really like this truck. The only thing is it's like a little bit tall for me, but that's about it. I know he's going to put a camper topper on it and an exhaust. I think the stack is cool though, but like I said, I mean, he can do whatever he wants. I'm sure it'll look good that way too. Actually, you know what you should do? If you're watching this, which you're probably not going to watch this, but if you do, put the camper topper on there, get rid of the stack, put a hood stack on it. Do what Bruce Wilson did. Do that. Then you'll be in his league. I'm just kidding. You have a cool truck, but hood stack would be even cooler. So anyways, to rate this truck, I really do like it. I like it a lot. I love the wheels. You know, the whole thing just looks like, you know, all the pieces are kind of meant to be together, and everything kind of flows. I'm going to give it like an 8.5 out of 10. 8.5 to 9, something like that. It's really cool. I think just a couple more things done to it, and man, it'll be an awesome truck. Okay, really quick, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're liking what you're seeing. If you like truck content, diesels, rock crawlers, things like that, please subscribe. I got a lot more videos coming. I'll be installing a stack soon on my 24 valve Cummins, as well as I'm doing an LS swap in my Toyota. So if you want to watch my journey of building those trucks and learning about them, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also smash the like button for me. I really appreciate it when I get likes on my videos. Each one of them, each like means so much to me. So yeah, thank you for all the support, and please continue watching. Alright, so last truck that I'm going to review, or last 2nd gen, I'm going to be looking at Loud and Proud, or the channel Loud and Proud. The truck's name is Nasty Red. Like the name would imply, it is a red flatbed Cummins. Super clean truck. I know it has like a new paint job on it. It has really nice Anthem wheels, a nice flatbed, aftermarket tow mirrors. I think it has twin turbos, some twin turb skis, which is awesome. It's 12 valve. It's just a really cool truck, really cool work truck. I do really like the paint job that they put on it. It's really cool that they matched the tow mirrors with the paint job and the grill, and they were able to leave a lot of like the stock features on it, or at least things that kind of look more stock, like the bumper and the grill, but they still made it look really clean and kind of updated. So yeah, a lot like Dippin Diesel's truck, where everything just kind of flows together. This one is kind of the same manner. I think the only things that like I don't really like about it, earlier when I was talking about Bruce Wilson's Flat Nasty, I mentioned that I don't really like flatbeds. I don't really like this flatbed, and it's just it just looks kind of big and bulky, and I get that, you know, they use this truck, and that's great. I really like that, but I just don't really like flatbeds, so I can't get on board with this one with the flatbed. The only other thing is it has a giant exhaust tip on the back. Not that I can talk much because I have a giant exhaust tip too, but with the flatbed and the exhaust tip, you can see where the exhaust tip kind of starts. So it looks like he has like a 4 or 5 inch exhaust to like an 8 inch exhaust tip, but you can see where that exhaust tip starts, and it just looks kind of goofy to me. Maybe if he got a longer exhaust tip, that would kind of fix it so you couldn't see where it started. But you know, it's just kind of just a little thing that I don't really like. But overall, it is a really cool truck. And he has a really cool channel where he gives stuff away. So overall, I think that I would probably give this truck similar to like pure panoramas, maybe a little bit less. I guess 7.5, just because I don't like flatbeds, but it really is a cool truck, and he does build some other cool trucks, so keep up the good work. Alright guys, that's all the trucks I'm going to review today. If you guys want to see more videos like that of other trucks on YouTube, please let me know. It doesn't have to be Cummins. It can be any diesel truck, or there's not a lot of crawlers on YouTube, but if you want me to do some of them too, I can. So if you have any suggestions for that, please let me know. Again, please subscribe, please like the channel, and hope you all have a great day. See you next time. Peace.